Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, guys, and we are dockside on a brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. Don't get all those 25s mixed up. This is the one that matters. Boston Whaler's 325 concept is a redesign from a couple of years ago, but there's been an incredible update in the model in these engines. You now can put the 400 V10s with electric steering from Mercury on the back of these boats, and it completely changes the way this boat feels. It makes it get on plane quickly, their ability to move weight, joystick operation, it's all changed and it's awesome. Now, when you take that package and add it to our boat, which is this gorgeous steel blue color, you're really not going to find that anywhere else in the nation. The option set is done really well. You have the additional seating here in the back. Of course, it still has its stern seat. It's live well. This is a sunshade boat because it has to be. Black detail on the tower. Guys, this wasn't an option until last year. It makes this boat look so cool. It stands out on the water. Really, really, really pretty. And of course, you've got amazing seating in these 325 Conquest. They know there's times you're going to have 4 and 6 people up here in the cockpit. You've got a swivel seat for the helm. You've got a Dometic stainless fridge under your small wet bar behind the helm. And then, of course, it wouldn't be a Whaler if it didn't have a full suite of electronics. So we've optioned this boat out. Joystick to go with those 400s. Twin really good Simrads here at the dash. Topside AC, spotlight, everything you can hope for. And look up over the dash, and you'll see that sun pad forward on this boat, along with that stainless windlass. The other part that makes these Conquest a Conquest is down here. Beautiful woodwork, options for TVs and cooktops, rear bedding, hanging lockers, the head. Guys, this space down below is truly incredible on a 325 Conquest, and it's part of why you buy it. If you want a weekend on this boat, just get away and take a nap when you're offshore fishing, this area serves you so well. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, this is a 2025 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest, and you got to come here to beautiful Sarasota to check it out.